Guys, I cannot believe I have these shoes in my collection. When you see them, you are going to freak out. If you are a shoe lover, you're going to freaking freak out. Keep watching, this is a good one. Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some older videos so we can get a little bit more familiar with each other and get better well acquainted. You're gonna end up loving it here, so smash that subscribe button. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. Listen, you see I'm pretty festive today. This shirt is matching these pair of shoes that I want to show you guys. I hope that you can feel the excitement that I'm feeling right now, like through this lens, because I'm so excited to show you guys these pair of shoes that I got. This is going to be a very, very quick video because I just want to get this out there. Alright, let me stop blabbering. Oh, also, I'm so sorry. Before I can show you this unboxing, I did have a giveaway on one of my vlogs. So, if you do not watch my vlog, because sometimes I sprinkle and sprackle some cool things in there. In my latest vlog, I did have a giveaway of where I got I think I got 3 pair of sunglasses from PR, and I didn't end up liking them, so I just said whoever comments a green heart, I would do eeny meeny miny mo, and someone would win them and I'll ship them off. So congratulations to D Robinson 7585. You are the winner of the giveaway, so I'm going to be sending the sunglasses to you. So congratulations. And this is why you got to start watching my vlogs, because you could have been entered. You probably didn't even know I post vlogs. You're probably not even subscribed. So subscribe so you can be entered in cool stuff like that. Anyway, back to the video and let's see these shoes. Guys, here are the shoes. I feel like when you see the Gucci brown box, you just know it's gonna be good, okay? Because when is the last time you've seen a Gucci brown box? This is archive. This is vintage. This is archive good piece. I want you guys to guess what shoe this is. I'm not gonna give you a hint. Just leave down in the comments down below what is a badass Gucci heel that is archive piece. I don't know if it's vintage yet, but it's an archive piece. Name it down below. Throw it down there, and because maybe I need to up my archive game. Maybe I need more archive pieces. But this, I got this from Poshmark, like I said. This shoe retails, it's actually on here for $8.50. It is the Ursula high heel sandal in the color Blossom, and that is why I'm wearing this shirt, because it matches perfectly. It's in the color Blossom. I got it in a size 36.5. This shoe is in great condition. Great condition. I'm pretty sure it came from another consignment shop, but like they sell their consignment things on Poshmark kind of thing, because they gave me a certificate of authenticity. I'm really excited right now. I'm so excited. This is the certificate of authenticity right here. Yeah, 36.5. It's a Euro 36.5, US size 6. Are you guys ready for a badass shoe? I can't believe I have this shoe. And when I say it's in really good condition, obviously this shoe is it at least 10 years old now, I think. Hello. This is barely worn. For this to be that old, and it's a shoe, because you know shoes wear hard, this is great. The heel tabs, unless they have already replaced these heel tabs, nowhere, okay? No scuffing, no anything on them. If you know me, if you've been following me for a while now on my videos here, every wish list I put this shoe. I wanted this shoe for so long. I finally found it in condition that I love, with all of these accessory pieces that you see, and also in my size and a price that I'm willing to pay. Some people have these shoes priced at like $800. Ma'am, this is 10 years old and it was only retailed at $850. Don't sell me a used pair of shoe for $800. I got this shoe, I believe, for $350. I really want to say $350, and then I had a credit on my Poshmark anyway, because like I said, I sell on there. So I got these shoes, I think, for like $2 something. The fashion gods were really on my side when I scored this shoe. On the ankle strap of this shoe, it does have the horse bit, which is synonymous with Gucci. Like when you see the horse bit, you know it's Gucci. Like, this is a shoe. I want us to go back to wearing shoes. Like, I feel like we're always in a regular casual pump. Where are the fun shoes, baby? Where are the fun shoes? This is a fun shoe. I cannot wait to style. I'm so mad at myself. I was looking on Fashion File and they have a Fendi Griffey. Well, they had a Fendi Griffey in the exact same shade as this. But you know, with Fashion File, sometimes they do go on sale. Like, they'll have it discounted. So I was waiting for the bag to get a little bit more discounted. I think the Fendi Griffey right now, the Nano one, retails $1,400. Fashion File had it for like $900. I wanted it to go down to like 8 or 7 something, and then I would have pulled the plunge and just got it. And it was a perfect match to the shoe, but it ended up selling before I could get my hands on it. I am on the hunt to find a bag that will match this perfectly, but I love this shoe. I love this shoe. I cannot contain myself. I love this shoe. I love this shoe. I love this shoe. I have wanted this shoe for so long. I feel like a kid right now because I'm so giddy. And you guys, like I said, I hope that you feel the excitement through this camera and are happy for me. Because what is meant for you, you will end up having it at the price that you want, okay? I promise you. Take your time, especially when you're shopping for pre-loved luxury. Don't just bite the bullet at the first thing you see. Because I could have got this shoe a long time ago at $800. But I didn't want to pay that. And I got it for $2 something, okay? A win is a win, and this shoe is definitely a win. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to see me style them this summer, because these babies are coming out to play this summer. As soon as the weather breaks and I have somewhere to go, I'm wearing this shoe. Yes, I just wanted to show you guys this shoe because I was really happy, and I know that if you follow me on this channel that you better be excited for me too, okay? And you should be excited about things like this in general, because if you're over here, that means you're a lover of fashion and all the luxury things anyway, okay? But yeah, let me put my babies down. Let me put them down. Okay guys, so that is really the end of today's video. I really just wanted to unbox and show you those shoes because I'm so happy to finally have them. I can't stress that enough. I'm so happy to finally have the shoe. So I hope that you did enjoy today's quick, very quick video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video with someone else who enjoys archive fashion pieces. And if you're not tired of seeing my face, I'll leave a link to another video here on the screen. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.